Hi, evening, I'm Jasmine. I'm having the chicken and gravy today. I had fish yesterday, and so this one is 300 calories. Yesterday I had fish and I woke up at 4 o'clock. I was picking all evening. So great diet. I was pick. There's a lot of gravy. Good. Pick all evening. I had a banana. I had half a tin of peaches. I could have had a large bowl of cornflakes. I was absolutely starving. So I woke up at 4 o'clock in the morning starving. The night before, when I had the chicken curry meal, I woke up at 5 o'clock, and I got up at 5 o'clock, and I had my breakfast at 5 o'clock in the morning. So this is 3. I'm going to get kitchen paper now. 300 calories. So I hope this is all right. I do not agree that meal yesterday was 300 calories, because white fish isn't very fattening. 100 grams of fish is only about 90 calories, and I only had one small spoonful of potato, so this is looking a bit better. So this one is 489, and it's on page 20. This looks a bit better, but I'm telling you now that, because I'm not getting diet food, there's no such thing as diet food. There's special food if you're gluten intolerant or whatever, but it's not diet food, it's just it's small. So this meal looks okay. I would be happy with this meal, I hope. Yes, it tastes right. The vegetables are a nice selection. Yeah, so I'm not having any problem with the taste of the food. It's just small. That's not wine, it's elderflower. I can't drink. So yeah, I think this meal's very good. I had a problem with the other meal. Brian's got it. All the gravy came out. I didn't open the plastic. All the gravy came out. Anyway, so I didn't. Well, he's got some gravy on his plate. Perhaps there was some damage with the actual container. The meals are tasty. This meal's really nice, and I think this one's a good price for a roast dinner. You know, if you went out to a pub, you'd be looking at much more than this. So I'm enjoying this meal. The vegetables are cooked very nice. The chicken's very good. So the meals are a good quality. It doesn't taste like a ready meal. No. You know, I'm getting to the point I may have to double up. I could have had brines as well. So at the moment I can't cope with that. I mean, an elderly person, in their 80s, I mean, that's probably all right. But when you're a bigger they do a hearty range, but I'm not paying £7.50 for a hearty range. Some of the hearty range is £5.50. So if you don't want to watch me eat it, I'm voting this one thumbs up. Well, I'm happy with that portion, so that's why if I was, using Wiltshire Farm again, I'd order their roast dinners because the lamb was good. Yeah, very enjoyable. I don't know what that is though. I don't like that on there. That's half the vegetable plant on there. Yeah. So, yeah, overall, problem with Wiltshire Farm, meals too small. Hearty range, I thought. Hearty range. I did find out. And they do Indian food, so here we are. I think I'd buy it. Well, that's luxury. I'll find it, yes, tomorrow. I did find it today. I can tell you without looking. They start from about £6 something to £7.50, the hearty range. So I won't be ordering it. So you can whiz forward if you don't want to watch me eat it. Yeah. There's enough seasoning in it. I haven't needed any seasoning with it. The chicken is very nicely cooked. The gravy's really good. Poor O'Brien hasn't got much gravy in the other room. I don't know what happened. But, I haven't had any problem with cooking a meal, except for today. So, well, this meal's tasty. The meal's a much better portion. So this is £4.89. I think that's quite good value. The potato is a real potato. Always nice to know. And yeah, the gravy's really tasty. It's a nice chicken flavour. The chicken's very lean. No horrible fat in it. Yeah, thumbs up. Only criticism with Wiltshire Farm, too small, starving hungry at 4 o'clock in the morning. I think my friend's right. Double up. I'm trying it for a diet. I haven't lost any weight yet because I'm picking all day because I'm so hungry. I'm picking up all the wrong things. I haven't lost an ounce. So, not working for me at the moment. I'd have to pick from the hearty range. If I pick from the hearty range, calories are just over 500 calories. So that's still extremely good. But I don't want to pay that sort of money. That's too expensive. I don't want to pay it. What you could do, 2 meals hearty range and some ordinary essential range. You can mix and match them so that you're now and again you're having a normal sized meal, so that you can keep yourself going with it, because 500 calories is not a lot of calories for an evening meal. When you think I go to a certain pub where you can get many refill coffees, I have a meal there which is, most of them are 1400 calories. Then you have a large Pepsi. When you have 2 lattes, I've left there and I've had 2000 calories. So that will give you an idea how many calories, I'm giving up. I'm doing really well. I just wish I'd lose some weight.